Hi guys, so hope you're doing well. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can create a responsive filter like this. So when I'm clicking on the filter icon, it opens the filter, and clicking on close, then it's closing. So let me show you how. First of all, we are going to use the dev tool. You need to go to this URL. You will find this dev tool option in the footer of Block website. We are going to use the Z Offcanvas column plugin or add-on. So download this and click the download option, and it will be downloaded, and then move to the dashboard. So you need to make sure that you have installed the Smart Filter plugin and already the filters are created, as I'm not going to show you that how you can create a filter. So we have downloaded the add-on. Now you need to install that like a plugin. So click on add new plugin, go to upload plugin, choose the file. Here is the file. I select and open and click on install now. As I have already installed it, I'm not going to do that again. So you need to make sure the plugin has installed and activated. So here's the plugin, it's activated. So the next thing is I am going to the page where I want to use that option. So in this case, you see that designing a business directory. So in that directory, there are some filters. So more filter will come, and the filter list will be long. In mobile, it's not compatible, so it will take the huge space. So what do you need to do in this case? We need to make it responsive. So for this, let's move to the edit to the Elementor, and here is my archive. I'm clicking on that. You can see that the page opens, and first of all you'll see this way these options, and you see there's a new option, Offcanvas settings. Let's enable it, and you'll see a bunch of options. First of all, what you need to do, go to the layout option and then use this CSS class, Offcanvas collapse. Write it properly. If you do any mistake here, it will not work. So when you activate it and update, the responsive filter will already activated, and then you'll see just a expand option here, and you'll click, you'll see that it's working. Let's do a little bit of customization, and how you will do it, let me show you. Go to the Offcanvas settings again and change the text to anything. So I have written a filter, or I can write open filter, close filter, and then use the margin and padding as you need, and you will see the icon. So this icon will be shown when you see the filter in mobile at the first time before opening, and this icon will be shown when the filter will open after clicking. And I use the icon size 20 in both cases, so that's why. So let me update it and show you that before the text is filtered, now I written it open filter. Let me reload it to show you the update. Wait for a while. You see that now it's showing open filter, and the icon I have added there, and close filter, the text and the icon. The last thing, let me show you that if you want to find the exact icon, just search writing filter. Here it is, and the another icon is arrow. So here's the another icon. Thank you so much. I'm requesting you to consider subscribing and leave a comment to inspire me make more tutorials like this. Thank you.